Hi, welcome. I'm Juli. Today we are going to work with numbers and toys. Amazing! Let's play. Let's start with numbers. Take your time to place the cards. Now please repeat the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done! For this game, you need a piece of paper. We are going to use it to make balls. Okay, 1. Take a small ball and place it here. 1. 1, 2. 2 little balls. Now 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Very good. Keep going. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small balls. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. Yes, we did it. Great job. Let's move on to toys. They are so beautiful. Bike, car, doll, ball, kite, blocks. Great! Place all of them on your table. We are going to play bingo. Let's see, what's it? Doll. So we don't need this one anymore. Let's see what comes next. Oh, bike. Where is the bike? Here. Bye-bye, bike. Okay, now, ball. Can you see the ball? Okay, here it is. Okay, let's see. Kite. Good. Let's find the kite. Bye-bye, kite. The next one is car. Find the car. Good. And the last one, blocks. Great. Bye, blocks. Bingo! Well done! Did you have a good time? I hope you did. See you in the next video.